Okay, in this video we learn about for else loop. Now the for loop can be combined with an else block, and that else block is executed if the loop completes and all iterations successful. So it's like a in Java, and we have something called finally, so you can, after the loop is done, we can use that. So let's see how it works. So what we are going to talk about, for else loop. So let's say for x in range of, let's say, 10, print x, else loop and here. Okay, so loop ends here will be printed at the end, so which shows the end of the process for us. Okay, so I think that's all for this video. See you in another video.